Hey guys, welcome to our channel. We're the Blues Travelers.
And in this video, we go to the RV show at Donald E. Stephens Center in Chicago.
More snow. We were planning on going to the Chicago RV show today, but as you can see, more snow coming down. And it's a couple hours away, so still undecided. We decided we're going to go to the show today. The snow stopped and it's not too bad. We know some people that went up there, so that's where we're heading now. And everybody's being really good so far. Check out this view. So I already forgot the parking ticket. Had to come back and get it. Sarah and the kids are waiting for me, so heading in. It's cold out.
What's over there? You see the cool guy? I can't see it.
All right, we ready to go on the show?
Yeah. The show is the rigs.
The rigs, yeah.
I gotta drive.
You're gonna drive?
Yeah, with these feet.
Oh, where do I get to sit?
On the table.
I get to sit at the table?
Yeah, there's buckles there.
With buckles, oh yeah.
But you're really long, so you need to be careful.
Are also built with huckable, which provide up to 10 times the fatigue strength of conventional fasteners. Both frames are superior because they feature full width outlets.
We're ready to go.
Full width runs all the way to the outside.
I think I'll drive.
We also space these outriggers 4 to 6 feet apart as opposed to our competition, and they go up to 6 to 8 feet apart to give better support to the rest of the system.
We got everything. Let's go back in the... Oh, wow! Kids! Wow!
Hey,
You want to sleep in the bed?
All right.
We got two
Very
big
cool.
beds. Good morning.
Wow. Would this be your bedroom?
Yeah. Good morning, kids. And not really good like the other one. Morning, kids. It's time to wake up. And not good like the other one. But this is fun. Good morning, kids.
Yeah, this has a lot of room.
Now, very more tail.
Half bathroom.
Yeah. This is the way.
Thanks, Nora.
That one can go in the car.
Have a little Harry Potter closet there under the stairs.
We're already home, kids. We don't have mommy. Hey, mommy and daddy. Hey, you can sleep over there and we can sleep up here.
Not very deep of a pantry there.
And that one has a full couch.
It's the Silverback 35 LFT.
And when you go down the tail, down to there. Bye.
Shower check. We're good to go. Me and Nora. Like a glove. Plenty of room. And huge closet. It's pretty awesome. Just hope no one opens the door on you here. Bar pods. I've never seen one like this before where the whole thing is open. Pretty cool option. It's like being on a pontoon boat.
Look at Mommy and Daddy.
Not good for winter camping. Just a tip for anybody tall. I'm about 6'4", and we're in a travel trailer, and I've already hit my head just trying to get into the couch, so definitely something to look out for.
Here's Dustin in a C class.
Okay, I'm maxed out on height. I'm touching. All right, let's see if I can get out of this thing.
Oh.
All right, look out.
Right, not that I would intentionally do it, but when you really notice.
It's gotta be a gymnast. Very cool. Very Coca-Cola-ish.
What you kind of you want to live in?
Okay, there's the bedroom, straight into the living room kitchen
Daddy, you know what? I'm hanging up a refrigerator.
and the bathroom. Well, I almost broke it already. I didn't realize how it worked.
I lost myself. Do you want to see the class? No, you need to keep them. And this is a bed in the window. And there are two things like here, like an old house. So
I would love to see you try and get through that.
and
Put my head right through the roof.
what?
Hey guys, just taking a shower. Don't want to break it.
Tall man problems.
Nene!
All right, you guys can get in. Let's see if they fit. Oh, River fits.
A little tight.
Oh, you guys fit. Oh, you can reach the sink. It's your size sink.
Mommy, look! Mommy, come here! I can reach the sink.
Oh my goodness, you came without a stool.
This room can even fit in here.
Yeah, that's big.
It looks like a mountain.
As Sarah just pointed out, this is a really lot of space in front of the bed.
There's like so much room for activities.
Mother, yeah, this is a mountain. Mother.
like this open area. If I wanted to do some tap dancing or something, I could do that here. Ceiling fan. It's got a ceiling fan. Yeah. Let's see how comfortable the driver's seat would be. Bed up there. A lot of dashboard. What's that? 3 on the tree. Oh yeah. It's my favorite. Office right here. It's 10 o'clock. You're right.
Pretty cool. There's a lot of walls. And there's this.
There's your beds.
Yeah. That is mine. That's mine.
Hey, no, Riggs, don't get up there.
I want to check it out.
Come check this out.
Hey, Ezra.
Oh yeah. It's on a slope. So yeah, I'm like in it, which I don't like. I'd have to stay in this spot. And when I go to wash my hair, I'd be punching through the roof. What do you got, Us?
Alright, let me see your hands.
What do you got, Ru? Pretzel. It's tasty.
Drew, let me hold the pretzel.
What is it?
Here is the Pinnacle.
Yeah,
I don't know if they have a dimmer switch or something.
yeah.
What do you got, bud?
Oh,
Open it up.
pantry.
Pantry?
Yeah, right now.
Oh, cool. Cool beans.
Oh my goodness. Forgot about this one. Holy cow.
Oh, lights in the sink? You got it. Oh yeah, this is the coolest shower. For sure.
I think I want to get this one.
You want this one?
Yeah. This is the seat. Yeah. I just.
Oh, cedar closet. Nice.
This is cool.
Reflection. She's teasing. How many people do you think can blast into that
How
glass?
many people can you fit in that shower? That's what I want to know.
Let's see if I can fit.
Ah! There's Daddy!
It's huge.
Big boy!
Holy
Big
cow.
boy!
Still in the angle. I do have shoes on.
You take.
This one might fit. This is the Jayco Pinnacle,
Hey, Daddy!
but
You got the drawing!
maybe not.
Okay, are you going to shower like that?
Mommy!
It's a little feature on some of these Jaycos on the island here. The power strip pops up.
Daddy!
Kind of a cool idea, but at the same time, kind of could be in the way. What do you think, Nora? Yes. Did you have fun at the RV show? It's your very first RV show. Oh, Mommy was pregnant with you last year on this show. So it's kind of your second one. Yeah. Yes, you're so happy. I love you.
I love you.
I love you.
Bye-bye. I want to say I love you to Daddy. Mother with my good one too.
Thank you. Here we go. Oh, you can grab one out of there if you want. Our car's been here. Waiting for. Oh, Chicago. Yeah. All right, so we didn't stay as long as we thought we would, but that's all part of having 3 children with you. Also, on the way up here, we had one meltdown, and it was a pretty big meltdown. So.
Night time, right, Daddy?
What about night-night?
Good night.
Oh yeah, you can go to sleep on the way home if you want. Take a nap.
But night guys are not.
No, I didn't think so.
I want to switch sides.
Oh.
I want to switch.
All right, Ezra got to drive a couple weeks ago, so now it's Reagan's turn. And we got our pizza with us. You got her? All right, ready? We're gonna go left around this corner. Left. That was right. That was the wrong way. Oh, that was funny. Reagan, when you drove the car, were you in the campground or on the real road?
On the campground.
On the campground, yeah. So, yeah, we were in the campground and nobody else was around when Ruru drove. And it was really fun, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Please subscribe to our channel so you can stay connected with us. Thanks for watching.
See you next time. Thank you for watching our video. We hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to leave a comment.
And we would love for you to subscribe to our channel so that you can stay in touch with
Your feminine side.
Please subscribe to our channel so you can stay connected. Please subscribe to our channel so you can stay connected with us during our... That's dumb.
Reagan, when we... I'm gonna start over. Hey Reagan, when you drove the car, were we in the campground or were you on the road?
Well, was on the road.